How to find your phone contacts on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can find out our phone contacts on Messenger application. So if you are also looking out on that process, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. First of all, head over and open up your Messenger application into your device. And once you have logged in into your account, you'll be seeing this interface on your screen. So here, you're going to look out for these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be seeing your profile here. Head over to the gear icon, tap on settings and open up your settings of your Messenger. And once you reach here, scroll down until you're able to find the section called See More in Account Center. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the Account Center. And under here, we're going to go to account settings, under which we are going to look out for this option called your information and permissions. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding this section, and you're going to look out for the section called upload contacts, which is right here below the specific add partners. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, select up your Messenger. And once your Messenger is selected, you can upload up your contacts if you have. You can turn it on and upload up your contacts, and you should be able to find all of your phone contacts on Messenger if you turn it on. So that is how you find up your contacts on your Messenger following this method, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.